Hello everyone, my name is Katie and you're watching Games of Katie. Today I'm going to start playing Nancy Drew Danger on Deception Island. So I've never played any of the Nancy Drew games before, though I've read the books. I'm really excited. I did start playing Junior Detective a while on my own just so that I knew kind of what the deal was with these games so that I'm not constantly having to flail around and not know what I'm doing, but I still haven't gotten to the bottom of the mystery, so I'm as lost as you are. Let's do this. Let's play this book.
Dear Ned, here I am on a ferry bound for Deception Island, one of the San Juan Islands off the coast of Washington State. George's friend, Katie Firestone, is expecting me. Katie's a marine biologist who's doing research into deep water parasitic growth. She also owns a whale watching boat and takes tours out practically every day. I should be excited, but for some reason I feel on edge.
I bet you're feeling out
Something's
of
out of
whack because you're
whack.
going to do
Maybe it's
Deception
because George
Island.
and
Like,
Bess arranged
who
this little
picked that as
vacation
a
for me,
vacation
and
spot?
sometimes their plans don't work out so well.
Oh, George
Or
and
maybe it's
Bess.
because we're about to dock at a
Suckers.
place called Snake Horse Harbor. Kind of a creepy name for a town, don't you think? Or maybe it's
Yeah,
because
why
we
didn't
haven't
you
been
go
on
to, like, the
vacation for so
Bahamas
long that I've
or
forgotten how to
Hawaii
relax.
or
Anyway, we're here.
Vermont?
It's not raining, but it's not sunny
You could
either.
have been
It's just
eating
kind of
pancakes in
gray.
Vermont right
Maybe
now.
that's why I feel so strange. Every year's Nancy.
But there's no danger in Pancake Town. I've never been to Vermont. There's probably not a Pancake Town.
Katie?
Hi, you must be Nancy. I'm Katie Firestone. Come on, I'll take you down to the boat.
Katie, why were you staring at a wall for no reason before I got here?
Great
Oh,
timing, huh?
weird.
I just got back from getting some groceries. George could not have picked a better time to arrange for you to come out here. Just last week, this orca showed up in the channel, and now it... Oh my gosh, what happened? Someone tore the place apart. The engine's a mess, parts are missing, others are damaged. Why would somebody do this?
I don't know. I'm sorry, other person who has my name. You able to
Are you
fix
going to
it?
be able to fix it?
I better be able to. I can't afford to pay someone else to do it, and if I end up having to replace a lot of parts, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Okay, I think I'm gonna have to turn up the sound. Oh, it won't let me. It won't let me turn up the sound while I'm in this thing. All right, whatever.
We better call the sheriff.
Better call the sheriff.
I'd rather not get the sheriff involved. The insurance company would raise my rates, and I just can't afford that. Besides, I've got my very own private detective now. You.
Yeah, it's weird that you trust me over the police. Like I'm 16. Shouldn't shouldn't we be calling the police? You sure?
Are you sure you don't want to call somebody?
Look, you're on vacation. Just go relax.
Go relax.
Bike into town,
Get
or take my
your boat
kayak out.
burglarized.
It's
It's
dark.
fine.
Just always wear your life
Just
jacket.
always wear
And
your
don't go
life
past the
jackets.
channel markers. And if the fog starts coming in, head to shore
Look
fast.
out
The
for
fog we
fog.
get around here is as thick as cotton. And never go out without
Oh,
a GPS.
have a GPS,
That's a global
but
positioning
relax,
system.
because
I'm
there's
somewhere
nothing to
around
worry
here.
about except
Anyway,
those
your bunk's the empty
4
one below.
bajillion
Why don't you
things
go
I just told
unpack?
you.
Need any help?
I'll unpack.
Is that any better? Can you guys hear it? I hope so. I can hear it. Alright. So, no. Alright. Now I'm gonna check out the kitchen.
It looks like whoever damaged your engine did something to your faucet, too.
It'd be great if you could fix it. The pipes are in the cabinet under the sink.
At least the person who messed up the faucet left all the pipes here. I hope.
How often do you think Nancy has to use her super sleuth plumbing powers? 'Cause I'm guessing there's not a high demand for that. Nope. No. Like, was she working the case of the dancing puppet and being like, hold on, guys, gotta go fix a toilet? I don't remember that chapter in the book. So fun fact, I did try to film this yesterday, but I ended up only recording the part that I didn't mean to record. And so I've had to fix this sink a lot. And you think I'd remember how, but I just don't. Nope. All right. Did I try this part already?
That doesn't go there.
That doesn't go there. Silly person who's not Nancy Drew. All right. Nope. I hate it that it takes it away before you can turn it around, so you don't even have a chance to be wrong. What have I not done before? Oh, alright, cool. How about this one? So,
That doesn't go there.
well, when I haven't been fixing fake plumbing problems, as I often am, I've been reading really corny romances, because my girlfriend's super into those, and I just read Love Bites by Lindsay Sands. If you like corny romances and vampires, I highly recommend it. There we go. I feel like this is the longest sync repair ever.
This goes here.
Alright, there we go.
That doesn't go there.
Danger at Deception Island. Witness the horror as you plumb the entire town. Soon I'll be changing light bulbs, and who knows, maybe I'll get to vacuum something. It's gonna be a hell of a time.
That doesn't go there.
My friend John
That doesn't go
does
there.
gaming videos as well, and he's super funny. And he'll sometimes do like song parodies about video games. Basically, he's just super talented at everything. It's totally unfair.
That doesn't go there.
But I wish I had like a song parody about Nancy Drew plumbing that I could just whip out right now. Maybe he'll write one for me. In the style, like what style should it be? I think it should be in the style of the like a 90s sitcom type song. John Zemer, get on that, buddy. If you're a fan of Shrew That, which is also on this channel, a wonderful web series based on Taming the Shrew, John Zemer was actually Luke in that series. So, man of many talents. Gotta get out of the sink. Yeah, man of many talents, and I can't find my way out of the sink. Not seriously. How do I leave? Oh, I can't leave until I look at this. Okay. Andy Jason, owner operator, Whale World. Don't just watch a whale, experience it. Like, how do you experience a whale, Andy Jason? How do I do that? Tell me. Also, I don't trust people with two first names. Andy Jason. Just, kind of suspicious. Alright. So, have a computer.
My trusty laptop. Good thing I recharged my batteries.
I haven't organized a fake shelf of books in a while, so I'm a little rusty. Maybe all that sink fixing got me a little rusty. Our time is up, and I know we did some super exciting things today, like fix a sink and almost organize some books. But that's the way it goes sometimes in mystery solving. So I'm gonna say goodbye, and next time hopefully we'll have these books rearranged so we can get on to the actual mystery. And until then, I will catch you later.